Look, Lily. My race car can go really fast.
Kids, playtime is over. It is almost bedtime now.
I'm getting ready first. I'll clean everything later. I should put my things away before I leave. Books go back on the shelf when playtime ends. My doll belongs here, safe inside the toy basket. These toys could make someone trip if they stay here. Leo, please look down. Your toys are still there. Whoa! Whoa! The toy car moved right under my foot.
Leo, be careful. You almost fell on the floor. Leaving toys on the floor is not safe, Leo. When playtime ends, put your toys safely away.
I understand now. I should clean up before leaving.
Great job. Clean up, put it away, and be careful.
Come on, Lily. Let's brush our teeth before bed. I'm so sleepy. I think I'll go straight to bed. I always brush my teeth before I go to sleep. Leo can brush. I just want to sleep now. Brush the front, the sides, and the back teeth too.
Lily, did you already brush your teeth before bed?
No, Mom. I was too sleepy to brush them.
We still need clean teeth, even when we're sleepy. Brush your teeth before bed to keep them clean. Clean teeth are healthy teeth, Lily. Please try again.
Okay. I'll go back and brush them now. Use small circles, Lily, and reach the back teeth. That's it. My teeth feel much cleaner now. I feel better.
Great job. Clean teeth help you stay healthy every day. Before bed, let's get some water, then we'll go upstairs.
Water is all I need before bedtime tonight.
Those cookies look really good, even though bedtime is close.
Maybe one cookie is okay before I go to bed. Just a little candy too, then I will stop eating. Leo, bedtime is close. Why are you hiding those sweets? It is fine, Lily. I only want one more cookie. I'm just having water because my body needs rest. Oh, my stomach feels too full after all those sweets.
Leo, you look uncomfortable. Did you eat too many sweets?
Yes, Mom. I ate cookies and candy before bed.
Too many sweets before bed are not good. Choose water instead.
No more sweets tonight. I'll put them back now.
Water is the better choice.
I'm ready for bed now.
You're almost ready for sleep. Keep the room calm now.
Maybe I can watch something for just a few minutes. This is fun. I'm not feeling sleepy anymore. I'll read a book instead. It helps me relax.
The little knight journeyed through the enchanted forest, ready to face the dragon and save the princess. The lights are getting low. It's nearly time to sleep.
Lily,
Bedtime is here. Are you ready to stop?
I was sleepy before, but now I feel wide awake.
That bright screen is keeping your mind active, Lily. Screen time is over now. Please put the tablet away.
Your body needs quiet time so it can rest. Okay, Dad. I'll put the screen away now. A quiet book feels much better before going to sleep.
Good choice. Quiet time helps your body get ready for sleep.
I'm finished reading. Now I'm ready to sleep. Everything else can wait. I just want to sleep. I should get my school things ready for tomorrow. Books and notebooks go inside my school bag tonight. My pencils are packed, so my school bag is ready.
I'll prepare my clothes now for an easier morning.
Great job, Lily. You are ready for tomorrow morning. Leo, where are your school things for tomorrow morning?
Oh no! I completely forgot about my school bag. Ugh. Where are my books? I can't find everything now.
Prepare tonight, Leo. Tomorrow morning will be much easier.
Book, notebook, pencils, homework. Now everything is packed. My clothes are ready too. Tomorrow will be easier.
Excellent. Preparing tonight makes tomorrow calm and easy. Everything is ready now. It is finally time for sleep.
I'm comfortable now. I'm ready to sleep quietly. Ow! Leo, look. I still have lots of energy tonight. Lily, it's bedtime now. We should keep the room quiet. Come on, Leo. Let's play just one more minute. No, Oh, thank you. My body needs quiet rest now. Ha! 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 I'm not tired yet. I want to keep playing. Oops, I didn't mean to make that loud noise. Wait, Mom? Are you coming in?
I heard a noise. Is everything okay in here? Bedtime should be calm and quiet for everyone. Your body needs sleep, so you can feel good tomorrow.
Sorry, Mom. I'll be calm and quiet now. This feels much better. I'm finally ready to sleep. Good night, Mom and Dad. We're ready to sleep.
You learned many good bedtime habits together tonight.
First, clean up and put your toys safely away. Brush your teeth before bed to keep them healthy. Choose water and avoid too many sweets before bedtime.
Screen time is over. Choose quiet time before sleep.
Prepare tonight, and tomorrow morning will feel much easier.
Keep quiet, stay calm, and let your body rest.
Good bedtime habits make every night safe, healthy, and peaceful.